We are discussing about the different terminology, the nature and the types of drug. The word drug derived from the old French word drogue, which means dry herb. So this strongly suggests that the earliest drugs were mainly obtained from the plant sources. The term drug is used for the pharmaceutical drug and also it is used for the addictive drugs. So pharmaceutical drug is also called medicine or medicament, and from the pharmaceutics, which is the discipline of the pharmacy, which deals with conversion of an active pharmaceutical ingredient into a dosage form along with excipient. So this dosage form of the drug, which is the physical form of the drug, that may be solid like tablet and capsule, liquid, syrup and elixir, and gaseous, that is aerosol. So this form is called medicine, and excipients are inactive substances. They do not have any therapeutic advantage, but they have their own role to play. They are intentionally added into the formulation because they improve the physiological absorption of the drug. Some excipient improve the stability of the drug, and others helps in the manufacturing process. But active pharmaceutical ingredient is actually the drug which has pharmacological action. All these processes are carried out according to the pharmaceutical SOP mentioned in the standard book of medicine, the standard official books, and these books are called pharmacopoeia, which are official book which are written and published under the strict observation of the government agencies of any respective countries. So these pharmacopoeia, there is a step-by-step guideline how to synthesize this drug, how to add excipients according to the criteria mentioned in the pharmacopoeia. So these pharmaceutical drugs, on the basis of cell, all the medicines, all the pharmaceutical drugs are divided into two categories. The first one is prescriptions pharmaceutical drug and the non-prescriptions. Non-prescription are OTC drug. OTC stands for over the counter drug. So what are prescription drugs? Prescription drugs, these means that these drugs required a prescription, a written order of the doctor. What is prescription? It is a written order of the doctor, dentist or veterinarian or other medically registered practitioner. So these drugs required a prescription from the doctor, and these drugs cannot be bought without the order, without the prescription of doctor. And these drugs include anti-hypertensive medicine, also anti-diabetic medicine, similarly anti-asthmatic and antibiotics, and also benzodiazepine. These include bromazepam, lorazepam, and alprazolam. On the other hand, the OTC drug or over-the-counter drug, these drugs do not require any prescription, any written order of the doctor. This can be bought without the prescription. So in the market, OTC drug is mistakenly used by the people when they are referring to a drug product on which the company give extra discount. So practically it is not OTC drug. So the OTC drug, these include NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug like aspirin. Similarly, these include multivitamins which you can buy without the prescription. Similarly, these drugs include NSAIDs, antacids. So, and there is no doubt that these pharmaceutical drug medicine, they have largely saved the lives of the hundreds of millions of the people all over the world. On the other hand, the term drug describes the addictive drugs. These are highly dangerous drugs. They have high potential for abuse. These include LSD, lysergic acid diethylamide. Similarly, marijuana, which is also called bhang. On the other hand, crack cocaine, and also these addictive substances, these include heroines, which is obtained from the opium plant, and it is available as a brown and white powder, and these can be injected even, and the patient or the person becomes dreamy and he doesn't know what's going on in the surrounding. So these are highly addictive substances. And also we have a meth or ice. These are called crystal meth. So these are ice. And all these drugs, these addictive substances have been divided into 5 schedules, and they are divided as such that the schedule 1 drug, they have no medical use, and the last schedule 5, they have some medical usage, and also they have lower potential for abuse, and these have high potential for abuse. So, and there is also no doubt that these addictive drug, these controlled substances, they have damaged the lives of the hundreds of thousands of the people all over the world. And these are the drug against we must be the part of the slogan, that is, say no to drug. And one thing more, that the drug is an exogenous substance. It is exogenously administered, because in our body there are different hormones. They work like a drug, just like sympathetic neurotransmitter norepinephrine. It acts like a drug, but this is not included in the definition of drug. Similarly, endogenous opioid like substances, dynorphin, enkephalin, endorphin, they are endogenous substances, although they have the action like drug, but practically drug is any exogenously administered chemical.